I mean, it's good to all be there, you know, because he took it off.
This rear end swap's getting more expensive. There's my yeah, yeah, it's great. It's great. Rear end swap on the Jeep is not going as well as the old rear end. It's pretty bad. Ooh, can't see it with that move. I got my new rear end right there off of my 95 Cherokee, and this is a 96. But dug into it, and it's the main springs on both sides are broke, and then the shackle broke. This is our nice little homemade jack stand, because we don't want to leave out our nice jack stands for a long period of time. So we use these when we pull anything off of a vehicle. We had to make another set. We only had 2. We gotta pick up one of the trucks, set it on that, and then we could take the skid steer and pick up the other one.
Come on! Carried around the corner like a badass.
Holy hell.
Why didn't your light come on? Oh, there you go. Fuck that.
Shush me. Oh shit, it's got a spring in it. I thought I had to pull it back up. We're getting ready for the rear end, guys. We'll fill it up with fluid. Finally got the rear end in, the new one. Shock still needs bolted. Still needs tightened down. The spring still needs tightened down. But you know what? What time is it? 11:30. I'm looking good. Still got to bolt the drive shaft in. And bleed the brakes, throw the tires on. Should be good to go. Got the leaf springs mounted to the axle. Still got to tighten them up there. Shocks are on. Drive shaft's in. Shocks are getting replaced. Don't worry. I'm still doing a lift on this, so I still got other things to do. This is just get me by. We are attaching the emergency cable and getting a bleeder for that. And then we got to come over here and do this side. So I actually did get it put back together, but I never finished the video on this. And actually got it put back together, and I went to go off-road and I hit a tree with it. And I got to replace a couple front end parts. I got big things coming. Big surprise things coming for this Jeep. Got me a roof rack. Trade a car for it. It sounds dumb, but it's also to help me put two of my other cars back together. And here's what I got going on for my big plans. They're not too big plans. That's just a 31 all-terrain. So stay tuned if you want to see what happens to the old Jeep. That's a little better, a little closer.